Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, welcome guys. This is codewithtec, your #1 coding hub. All right, when it comes to simplifying code. All right, so guys, today we will be looking at anonymous function. In this function, we say function without a name, usually assigned to a variable. Okay, is what we refer to as an anonymous function. Now, anonymous function is a function that we don't give it a name, but rather we assign that identical function to a variable. So today we'll be looking at something in it quickly. All right, now the first thing we'll be looking at in this function is this. Now I've created this lesson, which is lesson 10. All right, which is our lesson 10. All right, now in this lesson here, continuing with the topic on a function, we say anonymous function, they are function without a name, but we assign the function to a variable. So we'll say const, we say greet. All right, now we assign the function to the variable. Now we say function, the keyword function, and say name here. Okay, now these are where you will see anonymous function. All right, we ask it to return a value. We ask it to return a value, and the value we want it to return, want to say hi. Okay, space out of this, and want to say positive name and close it. All right, now if we come out of this function, we want to call the function. How can we call an anonymous function? All right, how can we call the function for the function to output? All right, the way we call an anonymous function is by saying console.log parenthesis and saying greet, which is the variable, and in this greet now we are going to state our name in it, which is the parameter of the function. Now instead of having the function with a name, right now we have assigned the function to a variable. Okay, so it becomes an anonymous function. Now in here we can say greet, we say hi Bob. All right, we say hi Bob. We can say hi Andrew. All right, these are things, or hi Tech. Good, these are things that we do as well in anonymous function. Now after calling this, the result of this should be, which is the output. The output should be hi comma tech. All right, now the command will put it right here. Okay, this should be the result. Okay, so if we run this out into our console.log quickly, guys, we'll just run this out into console.log. okay, we say functions in JavaScript, we are treating anonymous function. All right, refresh it, come here, inspect it, we come to console, we see hi tech. All right, now understanding anonymous function, let's go back and discuss the code. All right, now we said for anonymous function, we don't give the function a name. All right, all we do, we just take the function and assign the function to a particular variable. Okay, now whenever we are calling it, we call that variable, the name of that variable, and then we pass whatsoever argument we want to pass into it. All right, now let's take for instance here we have a const greet. All right, now greet is a variable here. Okay, it is not a function, because the only time the greet can turn to a function, which is what we refer to as anonymous function, is by passing in a function to this identical greet variable, now to turn it into a function. All right, now that is just the basic of understanding anonymous function. So you shouldn't be reading code, you shouldn't be reading JavaScript code, and you come across something like this and then you thinking how to interpret it. All right, you should know that there's an anonymous function that was written, and the person have stored all of the function data into a variable, and they are calling this variable over and over into the void. because we said from the onset in our regular or named function, or which was the first function that we treated, we said our function are reusable or block of code. All right. So with that being said, guys, I hope that we learned something from this anonymous function. All right. There are lots of examples on anonymous function, but for our beginner series, we will take this only understanding anonymous function. Okay. So guys, I hope that we learned something from this tutorial, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys in our next video. All right, next we'll be looking at arrow function, all right, which is ES6 plus. All right, we'll be looking at arrow function. Okay, so see you guys in our next video. Please subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.